We don't know what has upset this neighbor, but he is seen pounding on the door with intense fury. He keeps pounding and starts cussing loudly, clearly not in a good mood. His anger is palpable, and it's quite frightening to witness. The video captures him relentlessly hitting the doorbell as well. The homeowner, understandably wary of opening the door to such a furious individual, speaks through the doorbell's intercom saying, "We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now." The neighbor's behavior feels very threatening, as if he might do something terrible to whoever is inside. The entire ordeal is nerve-wracking, but it's good that everything is caught on camera, providing a record of the unsettling event. This video was uploaded by Doorbell News in February 2022. In the footage, a man is seen peering inside someone's car. After looking around for a moment, he decides to approach the house. He walks up to the doorbell and attempts to open the door. He tries the handle a few times but finds it locked. After realizing the door won't budge, he rings the doorbell and waits there, almost nervously.
Can I help you? Huh?
The homeowner, curious about who might be at the door, approaches and asks, "Who is it?" through the door. Instead of responding, the man simply walks away without saying a word. The situation is indeed strange, right? The police were later able to detain the man for questioning. However, they pointed out that, unfortunately, you can't be arrested for simply wiggling someone's doorknob. This event left the homeowner and viewers alike feeling a mix of confusion and unease. In this next video, a homeowner catches a burglar in the act of trying to kick down his door. The burglar, who seems to have some martial arts skills, performs moves that look surprisingly like the tiger crane technique from the movie Karate Kid. With a powerful kick, he breaks down the door and proceeds to ransack the house. During the burglary, he uses a stolen vehicle to case the house, ensuring that no one is home. It's fortunate that the homeowners were not present during this terrifying incident. The video serves as a stark reminder of the lengths to which some burglars will go and the importance of security measures in protecting one's home. This video captures a bizarre and alarming kidnapping attempt. A woman breaks into her neighbor's home with the intent of abducting a 9-month-old baby. She knocks on the front door and, when it is opened, announces her name as if she were familiar to the household. The camera captures her entry as she says,
"It's me. It's me, Mama. Hannah."
"It's me, Mama Hannah." Once inside, she makes a beeline for the baby, attempting to snatch him from his sister's arms. Thankfully, the child's mother wakes up just in time and intervenes, stopping the kidnapping attempt. The police were quick to respond and noted that just minutes before this incident, the same woman had tried to enter another home with the aim of abducting a 1-year-old boy. This series of events highlights the need for vigilance and the critical role of quick-thinking actions in preventing such horrifying situations.
"It's me, Mama. Hannah."
In another unsettling video, a female porch pirate is seen stealing packages from in front of a house. She brazenly grabs the packages and hops into her big truck. In her haste to escape, she drives over the homeowner's yard, causing damage. However, the homeowners were not willing to let her get away so easily. Determined to retrieve their stolen items,
Oh
They confront the porch pirate and even chase her down. The video shows them following her black pickup truck out of the subdivision, noting down her license plate number, vehicle description, and snapping a photo of her. They quickly relay this information to the police. Not long after, the police arrest 41-year-old Brownsburg resident Melissa Solomon. The homeowners, now feeling a sense of justice, put up a special message for other porch pirates on their front door, warning them of the consequences of their actions. In this lighthearted yet curious video, a delivery driver takes a housewife's request very seriously. He begins by ringing the doorbell to notify the family that their package has arrived. While standing by the doorway, he completes the order on his device. As he does so, the husband opens the door and asks if the delivery is complete. The driver, having read the wife's doormat, concocts an excuse on the spot, saying,
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, hey, how's
Got a
it going?
package?
No, I don't.
Oh,
No, I'm just here to tell you about the historic gospel of Jesus Christ.
oh. We're actually eating dinner now.
Okay, sorry to bother you.
That's okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm here to tell you about the historic gospel of Jesus Christ. The husband, a bit taken aback, replies, "Oh, we're actually eating dinner now." The driver then says, "Okay, sorry to bother you," and leaves. The entire exchange is quite funny, highlighting the driver's poor improvisation skills and leaving viewers amused by the situation. In July 2021, Amanda Nowak updated her Facebook with a very alarming video from her Ring doorbell. As she was settling in for sleep, someone rang her doorbell. She checked the app and saw a man with gray hair and a full-grown gray beard persistently knocking on her door and ringing the bell. Amanda did not recognize this man, so she ignored the knocking, hoping he would leave. However, the stranger stayed put, continuously repeating that he had questions for her. He kept saying, "Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple of questions for you."
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? What? Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? Are you absolutely certain?
Are you sure? Since she was alone at home, Amanda called her husband to inform him of the situation and also dialed 911. Her husband accessed the camera feed from his phone and saw the man. Realizing that ignoring him wasn't working, he decided to speak to him using the speaker.
Who are you?
What? Yeah? Are you sure?
Who are you?
Hey, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about AV School. Yeah, can you hear me? What I'm looking for is for the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to rape her. Can you have her open the door? I'm going to rape and kill the girl that's on the other side of this door when she lets me in. I want to rape her and kill her because I have a knife and a gun. Yeah, and I'm going to knock on her door again. All right.
After threatening the woman in a stone-cold tone, he's gone. He doesn't even seem scared off. He just leaves. As the man calmly walks away, he continues to talk to himself down the street.
Yeah. What?
How are you? "Hey, I just had a couple of questions. I just wanted to ask you about making sure." The man replied, "Yeah, can you hear me? What I'm looking for is for the girl in the house to come out here because on the other side of this door, when she lets me in, I want to wait with a knife and a gun. Yeah, and I'm gonna knock again, all right?" The man's threats were chilling, but after making them, he left. He did not seem scared or hurried. Instead, he walked away calmly, continuing to talk to himself as he went down the street. Amanda was terrified, but also worried that the man might target another house and hurt someone. She took the creepy footage and posted it on Facebook. Thanks to this post, the man was identified and arrested by the police, putting an end to his menacing behavior.